2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? If your Escalade looks like this and you have this USB port right here, I'm going to show you how to replace it. What you want to do is get a plastic pry bar interior tool, or maybe a small flathead, or even a butter knife. And what you want to do is gently come over here and work the side and just kind of get in between the dash and the USB port and kind of pop it out. When you pop it out, there's going to be three connectors. There's a black one that you want to get out first because it has the least amount of slack, and just get that out. There's a little thumb tab in the middle. You push the thumb tab down and push the connector backwards, and then you have these two other ones. They also have thumb tabs on, and you want to just push the thumb tab on them and then pull them backwards and wiggle them out. These ones are kind of stubborn. Be careful not to let the wire harnesses jump back into the dash, because then you'll have to fish them out somehow. Here's what it looks like right here when you get it out. Here's the part number on the side. They do sell these on Amazon, and I have them linked to like Walmart and stuff below. So check below for links. I'll have it all. Now, a situation you might run into, you might go to pop this up, or it might pop off like this. Don't panic. It's not a big deal. Just grab the top and bottom little white plastic tabs and squeeze them, and then just pull them out. You won't get electrocuted or nothing, and you know, it's not going to damage it. Just pull it out gently, wiggle it out, and then you could just slide the case back on. Just push the circuit boards in place, and then just kind of slide the case back on. Anyways, so when you get your new one, we're just going to plug it in. It's plug and play. I would start with the those ones in the back. You get those plugged in, and then you'll plug your smaller black one in. Make sure they're all plugged in tight and in the right spot, and then you'll just put this guy back in the same orientation the old one came out of. Over here with these stickers right here, just gently push it in place, and then you're good to go. You just push it in. You don't need to program nothing or anything, and if that was your problem, then it should be solved. All right, thanks for watching. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code gearmoauto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Gearmo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.